my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. Welcome back to CiCi Asian Home Cooking. Today I'd like to answer some of the questions you asked me so we can get to know each other a little better. And here is question number 1. CiCi, where are you from? I'm Chinese American. I was born in China, but I grew up in Thailand and Singapore. Between kindergarten and 6th grade, I traveled between the two places quite a lot. Then I went to China for a year to learn Chinese, 学中文. And then I first came to New Jersey, then New York and California and New York. There is a comment I hear really often, CiCi, you have a cute accent. Thank you for saying it's cute, by the way. But when I was younger, I was really self-conscious about this accent. I didn't want to have an accent. I didn't want to be different. I just wanted to be like everybody else. But you know what? Years after years, I'm more and more accepting this accent and more accepting who I am, because this accent is the places I've been to. It is who I am, and I am proud of who I am. Question number 2, CiCi, where did you learn to cook? Cooking has always been my passion. I've been cooking simple dishes since I was a little kid. I used to make egg drop soup, fried rice, all kinds of noodles. I was also the TV host of a food and travel shows. I was invited by many amazing chefs into the kitchen to learn about their food culture. I love every moment of it. And my culinary journey really started in 2014. I learned to cook with a Chinese master chef. His name is Chef Luo Zizhao. He is the best. I learned so much from him. I went to his kitchen for about a year and I loved it. Question number 3, what is your favorite cuisine? This is such a tough question. I have been to so many places. I have many favorite cuisines. I love the Northern Chinese food, Cantonese, Taiwanese, Sichuan, and I absolutely miss Thai food so much. I want to go back to Thailand. I miss Som Tam, Yam Mun Sen, Pad Kapow. Oh, all so good. And I also really miss Singapore food. You know, Singapore food is super diverse. You have the Malaysian food, you have Chinese, you have Indian, Hainan chicken. Oh, I miss it there. And also the shrimp noodle soup. It's so delicious. And after coming to the US, I was introduced to different food cultures. In the US, it's like a big melting pot. I was invited by many Korean chefs into the kitchen to learn about kimchi, soft tofu stew, kimbap, Korean barbecue. Love it, so good. I also really like Vietnamese pho, Filipino chicken adobo, also good. Did I miss anything? Please comment below and let me know what is your favorite cuisine. Can you pick just one? It's so tough, right? Question number 4, who does the cooking in my house? This is a really easy one. I do the cooking most of the time, but occasionally, every few months, my mom will stop by to make me my favorite Northern Chinese food. My favorite is this pork belly stew with sweet potato noodles. If you're interested in this recipe, check out the video right here. Question number 5, what ingredients do I always stock up? I usually like to stock up the kind of ingredients that can stay in the kitchen for a long time and won't go bad. I always have rice. I always have all kinds of dry noodles, wheat noodles, rice noodles, glass noodles, sweet potato noodles. I have all kinds of noodles. I also have a lot of different seasonings like soy sauce, vinegar, cooking wine, and all kinds of sugar. Talking about sugar, I really do have all kinds of sugar. I have palm sugar, powdered sugar, brown sugar, dark brown sugar, cane sugar, and all kinds of syrup. Question number 6, what is one ingredient I use the most in my cooking? I cook rice every single day. So I guess the answer has to be rice. But if you're talking about savory type of dishes, I use garlic and scallions in almost every single dish. What about you? What is one ingredient that you use the most in your cooking? Please comment below. Question number 7. What are my favorite vegetarian recipes? I love all kinds of tofu dishes. So my favorite are sweet and sour tofu and braised tofu with mushrooms. So good. If you're interested in the recipe, check out the video right here. At the end of this episode, I'd like to thank you so much for all your support throughout this culinary journey. Many of you have been commenting on every single video that I posted throughout the years. It's been an honor to get to know every one of you. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipe. If you have more questions for me, please comment below and let me know. I'll see you again in the next episode for another amazing recipe. Bye now.